YouTube, what's happening? It's your boy, Nick West, and I'm not doing a damn goddamn intro today, you feel me? Because I don't feel like it, but welcome to my channel. Okay, so let me say this, y'all. Now, I have a vision for this channel, okay? Hear me good, hear me good. I have a vision for this channel, and it's gonna... My vision for this channel is to produce some amazing content. I mean, some amazing content. I mean, full of visuals, full of great thumbnails, a lot of editing tricks and transitions and creative art and motion graphics and all of that stuff that I have envisioning, okay? But I had a channel before this, and I did a lot of that. And we were getting a lot of, well, I ain't gonna say a lot, but we were getting some people. I just started the channel, and we were getting some people to come and check it out. But we did, when we were first starting out on the channel, we didn't get a lot of viewers. And as you know, to create like a nice video of that caliber, it takes a lot of time. Okay, so I apologize. You guys are getting just raw footage. I mean, no special effects. You guys are getting, you're not even getting to see me. You're not getting a fraction of what I have in store for this channel. Why am I not doing it? I'm not doing it because we don't have enough viewership. We don't have a lot of, I just started the channel, so we don't have a lot of people watching. For me to produce such an amazing video, I need people to watch it. So it's just like if you were a producer of a movie, okay, we'll say Fast and Furious 12, you were the producer. It's you know, it's your first time producing a movie like that. You're gonna do your best to create an explosive movie because you know a lot of people are gonna watch it. But if you knew only 1% of people are gonna watch it, and you needed to grow the Fast and Furious franchise, then you would probably save some of the stunts. You would probably save some of the good stuff to your later movies when you're gonna have an audience. So, and that's what I'm doing. I don't want to give off everything that I got in store too early. Right now we're only averaging like maybe 5 or 10 people watching a video. Now, I'm not shooting down the quality of the videos, because the videos are showing product knowledge. Okay, it's showing what the products are. It's really just straight to the core of product knowledge and going over our products. You know what I'm saying? But man, wait till you see here in quite some time, maybe a couple months or so, once we build up the channel and we start marketing and things of that nature, and we start getting, a lot of butts in these seats, then we're really going to turn up. I'm really going to turn up, and you'll be able to see a lot of that stuff. So I do apologize. Some of the videos are not edited right. There's a lot of errors here, and frankly, I just don't care at this moment about editing out, doing this, making it all nice and pretty. You know what I'm saying? I just won't do it at this point. However, it will come a time where I will. Okay? So I wanted to throw that out there. Again, I'm not shitting on the video, because the video is great content as far as the product knowledge. These videos are showing you about our products, okay, and showing you the details and the features of those products. So it's really targeted towards that. So forgive me, okay. Okay, so I want to go over the Nexus today, which we're gonna share on my screen, and we're gonna big this up here. Okay. Okay, so what I want to go over today is I want to go over the Ichimoku strategy. Okay, within the Nexus, the MetaTrader 4 plugin called the Nexus, right? I want to see first if we can find a Ichimoku Alert, and I'm only going to search a few of these. I really would love to show you guys in real time a Ichimoku strategy being performed, and we're just gonna look at just a couple of these. I'm not gonna. We don't need it, but I like to. It's always good to like have it showing a signal, and I can show you exactly what you would do with the signal as it is showing right now on the screen. Okay, two more of these, and then we're gonna move on. We're just looking for the signal of the Ichimoku. Okay, Ichimoku breakout. Okay, and we don't have one. Okay, so what you have here with the Nexus, there's a MACD one. See, what? There's that first one right there headed down. Well, it looks like it's maybe the second one. No, that's the third one. Looks like the third MACD. Still showing the signal there. But you would sell right now. You would sell this. You would sell this right now. Okay? But we're not talking about the MACD. We're talking about the Ichimoku. Okay? Ichimoku. Okay, so I'm going to hide the Nexus, and we're going to talk about the Ichimoku. Now, before I go into that, I want to get rid of a lot of these indicators that are on my chart, just so we can really focus on the Ichimoku. Okay, so I think that is pretty much it. This is the Ichimoku Kumo Cloud indicator. Okay, I absolutely love the Ichimoku Kumo Cloud. Absolutely love this. Oh man, I see so many trades right here. Look at that trend line right there. See that? Can you see that? That trend line is broken, going to the upside. As soon as this breaks and closes on the other side, you would go in for a buy. This is a huge bullish flag. Okay, this is the pole. This is the flag. It's in a slanted. As soon as this pops up and the candle is closed on the other side of this trend line, you would activate a trade to the upside. But we're not talking about that. I just see. I can see these things. I don't know. I can just see this stuff. Okay, so we're gonna move on. We may use this a little bit later. So okay. So the Ichimoku is an indicator with two moving averages, the 9 period and the 26 period, and then it has a Kumo cloud, and then it has a Chico span. Okay, the lagging span. And I want to give you some education on the Ichimoku. If price action is above the cloud, you're in a buyer's territory. If price action, the candles are below the cloud, you're in the seller's. You're basically in seller's territory. Okay, the sellers are in control. So basically, if the price action is above the cloud, you're only looking for buys. You're only looking for buys. And if it is below, then you're only looking for sales. Okay, how I trade the Ichimoku is I would go to the D1, and we're going to hide the Nexus. I would go to the D1, and this is just education on the Ichimoku. It's obviously in a buyer's market. So then you would drop down to the lower time frames and you're only looking for buys, right? So we can big this up a little bit here. So all I would do, and this is me teaching you how to trade the Ichimoku. Okay, we're only looking for buys. So I would just draw trend lines, and as soon as they are broken, I would take a buy. So I would take a buy here, okay, do another trend line here, okay, around here, connect this, boom, and as soon as that is broken, then I take a buy up. You see what I'm saying? You could. That's the easiest way to work with the Ichimoku. Okay. Let's see right here. So again, we're only looking for buys. It's selling right here. I'm gonna connect all of the trend line here. Boom, boom, boom. As soon as it breaks, then I'm buying. So I'm winning these trades right there. That's a simple strategy. I'm giving you that for free. It's when it comes to the Nexus, it's a little bit different. But again, I did want to share with you how that works. Now, how do I get these off my screen? I have no idea. Let's see. No. How am I? Oh, you guys got to see my money. Oh, I want you guys to see my money. How do I take these? I don't know why it's doing that. How do I take those off of my chart? Delete? Let's see. How do I do it? Delete? Can I delete those off my chart? That way they're not there. Chart tools, chart objects. There we go. And we're going to all of them. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so let's bring up the Nexus. Okay, so here's the Nexus. Once you receive a alert from the Nexus of the Ichimoku, the signal that you're getting alerted for is, okay, give me a second, is the breakout of the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, so this is the cloud. Obviously, we're looking to see if price action is going to be above or beneath. But as soon as it breaks out of the cloud, this is a signal. This is right here. This is a seller's signal. Okay, anytime it would break out of the Ichimoku cloud, it is a signal. So you would have got alerted here from the Nexus that this was a breakout, and you would have got 23 pips. Okay, so anytime that the candles would break out of the Ichi, so it's here, and then it broke out here, this would have been an alert for you to take a sell. It broke out here with this candle here, it broke out of the Ichimoku going up, then you would have got in for a bullish buy here. This is a breakout. Okay, so we're still experiencing difficulties with the scroll. Okay, so if this is a breakout, the candles were in a seller's market, went through the Ichimoku cloud, okay, and once it broke through this candle here, you would have got an alert from the Nexus stating a Ichimoku breakout, and you could have bought this from here all the way up. Okay, from here all the way up. Okay. Okay, so that is the signal. That is the signal. Okay, that is the signal. Now let's bring back the Ichimoku cloud. Excuse me, let's bring back the Nexus. So we'll show it here. If we hover over the Ichimoku cloud, it says in Japanese, Ichimoku translate to one look, meaning traders only have to look at the chart to determine momentum, support, and resistance pretty much one time. I can look at the Ichimoku cloud and see exactly everything that I need to know about this trade. The cloud is demonstrating a support and resistance. Okay, the moving averages do the same thing. Okay, and the lagging span is just a lagging span. Okay, let's see what else we have. let's see what else we have here. Sorry about that. Okay, so we're going to show it here. Okay, so let's go into the parameters of the Ichimoku on the Nexus platform. So we go down to the Ichimoku, which is here. Okay, so the Tegansen and the Keegansen is basically the red and blue line. The Senku span is the lagging span, which is the green line. You can change those parameters. However, I suggest you leave them alone. Okay. 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 So again, that is pretty much the signal from the Ichimoku. Okay. Whenever this would light up, it would let you know whether it's a buyer or seller's signal within the Ichimoku. So you wouldn't need to have the Ichimoku, this indicator on your chart. You wouldn't need to have it because it is built in the Nexus. Okay. The main strategy people use with the Ichimoku is the breakout strategy. Okay. You would get in for a trade every time it broke out. Now, how would I use it? I would use it, well, I have used it. Well, still giving me some issues here with the auto scroll. As soon as it breaks out, okay, you can get in. Okay? You can get in, and then if you miss the breakout, then you wait for the pullback. And then you get in once a trend line is broken. Okay? All right. I'm just thinking to see if I'm covering everything else. If I'm covering everything else as far as the Ichimoku breakout strategy. Let's see here. I think we went over that. So yes, that is basically it. Okay, if you want more information, or I shouldn't say more information, if you want to purchase the Ichimoku expansion and the Nexus, you can go to our website, www.suicidebox, and you can purchase the Nexus with the Ichimoku expansion. I believe the expansion is $49.99 and the Nexus is $99.99. Okay, right now we are doing a special half price off, so 50% off, so you can really get a great deal on the Nexus today. Okay, love you guys. See you next time, and we'll let's make some profits. Let's make some profits. Make some money this week. All right, I'm out.